Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run Diagnostics on HP ProBook 450. In order to run Diagnostics, you should first shut down your laptop, so I'm just gonna press and hold on the power button until all the lights on the buttons go off. Then once it's off, I don't really know if it's off or if it's in sleep mode. I think it may be in sleep mode. Let's see that. Yes, it's in the sleep mode, so I'm gonna press and hold for longer. Let's just hold and hold. Yeah, I think now it may be shut down. So now all you need to do is press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on escape key on your keyboard until the text right here is black on the white background. Like that. Now you've gotten into the startup menu. Click on F2 key on your keyboard. And now you're in the Diagnostics menu. You can test your memory or hard drive. Let's test the memory. Now it has started the test. And you can see that it'll take 10 minutes. I don't know if I want to wait 10 minutes, but simply after the test you'll see the results. If you click on escape, then you'll go back to the previous page. If I select the hard drive and select quick check, let's see how long does that take. Maybe it'll be shorter. Yeah, it's 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna wait until the results are here, and then I'm gonna show you the results. And now it says that I have passed both tests, and I can just click on enter to go back to the main menu, and I'm gonna exit it. And yes, exit. And that's basically it. I think I may need to click on escape, and I'll boot into system. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.